Hello everyone. In last video lecture, we have already discussed about software or algorithmic approach of critical section problem. That is, first one is lock variable, where we use a lock value, that is initial value of lock is 0. When any process wants to enter, it changes the value from 0 to 1, the value of lock from 0 to 1 and enter its critical section. That is, the problem is if any process, but both the process check by the value of lock change to 0 to 1 and enter its critical section, that is actually the problem is mutual exclusion. So first point of the critical problem solutions is mutual exclusion. No two process can enter its critical section at a time, but that is not overcome in first problem, that is already discussed. Second one, that particular algorithmic approach is strictly altered, is done. So same code, same variable like lock is used. That particular share value variable is used by two different process by different way. If the lock is 0, that means process 0 or process 1, first process can enter. If the second process want to enter, the value of lock will be 1. That is the thing is, suppose the problem can occur if first process change the value to lock to 1, and that is the turn, that is actually decide that the turn which process will enter its critical section. Basically, that is the thing. If first process enter its critical sections, and after that when it exit from the critical section, is change the value of lock to 1. Okay, now the thing is, when 1, that means it is the turn for process 2, but process 2 that time is not interested to enter its critical section. Okay, again another process, first process, that will again wants to enter its critical sections, but that time the value of lock is 1, so that is the turn for process 1, but that time process 1, first process does not enter. So that is basically both the process are in non-critical sections, and one process wants to enter its critical section, but process 2 basically block the other process to enter. So that is actually problem is, no, that is the one of the problem of the critical section is that no other process can block other process which one is wants to enter its critical section. So basically that particular problem is arise in second approach. So that's why another approach is there. That particular thing is solved by Descartes solution, that is known as the Descartes solution, that is actually overcome by Descartes. Okay, so basically here use a Boolean flag variable, that is basically two values of there. Initially we can consider turn equal to 0, that is initial, and the flag 0, both flag of 0 will be 0, that is here not 0 will consider, that is will consider the false, and flag of 1, that will be also false. Okay, now the thing is, we'll describe the code here for Descartes solution. So here is the code for process 1. We'll consider here two process. We'll consider process 1 and process 2. First we discuss about the process 1. Here, while true, that is the thing, when process 1 wants to enter its critical section, then what happened? It first wish, when we wish to enter its critical section, it first change the flag 0 to true. Okay, that means flag 0 equal to true means, that means it wants to enter its critical section. Then it will check other process, that is process 2 also wish to enter its critical sections or not. So here the thing, while flag 1 is equal to true, if that is true, then what happened? Turn will decide. Now check if turn not equal to 0. That means if turn equals to 0, that means process 1 will enter. If turn equals to 1, that means process 2 will enter. So now check the value of turn is equal to not equal to 0. That means if that particular value is 1, not 0 means 1. If that is 1, so that means that is the turn for process 2. So that is actually with flag 0 equal to true, that is done over here. It is change the value to false. And continuously testing over here while turn not equal to 0. Okay, that is continuously checking turn not equal to 0. Yes, turn not equal to 0. Yes, that is continuously looping over here. That particular loop, that particular waiting is known as busy waiting. Continuously looping over this while loop, continuously testing the value of turns. Right now is 1 or not. Right now becomes 0 or not, a 1 or not. So that is actually we change the value to like this. Now the thing is, right now if the turn is 1, it change the flag equals to, when that is changed, the turn is equal to 0. That means that time process 1 can enter. It change the value flag 0 equals to true again and enter its critical sections. Okay. And after that, when you enter into its non-critical section, that is actually exit from the critical section, that will consider turn equal to 1. That means it may process 2 can enter and change the value flag 0 equal to false, like that. Okay. Now the thing is basically for the process 1. What about the process 2? When that is entered into the while loop, that is the thing, when that is wished to enter, then it change that will be the for process 2. It will be the flag first set flag 1 equal to true. Okay, then what happened, it also check for process 2, also check flag 0 equal to true or not. If flag of 0 equal to true, then what happened, then it will consider the value of turn will decide. If turn equal to not equal to 1, that means if turn not equal to 1, that means process 1 doesn't wants to wish to enter right now. That means it changed the value of flag to value of flag of 1 change to false and wait into the while loop, that becomes turn equal to 1 or not. If 1, then after that it set the flag of 1 equal to true and enter its critical section. And before it exit from the critical section, it change the value to 0, turn equal to 0 and set flag 0, flag 1 will be false. Okay, that is the thing actually we'll discuss. That is actually solve the all thing, like enter both the process doesn't enter at a time, that means mutual exclusions overcome here. And anytime, that is the thing, if the value of turn is 0, that means process 1 can enter. If the value of turn is 1, that means process 1 can enter, and like that. So turn actually decide the which process will enter its critical sections. Okay, thank you.